Hello everyone, welcome to Dalal Street Decoded and another video of market analysis. Today, Nifty's final closing was at 23,205 and compared to the previous day's closing, Nifty went up high by 50 points and closed there. If we look at Nifty, this large candle here is a very significant one. On the upper side, this candle made a high of around 23,400 and it made a low of 23,000, forming a 400 points range candle. As long as Nifty remains within this candle, you cannot perform much analysis on daily charts. When the market is stuck within a single candle, it becomes difficult to understand where the best setup will form. Now the current range is large because the candle itself is significant. After a large candle, as in previously here in this example, this is also a large bearish candle, and following that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutively 5 trading sessions were stuck within the same range. So after a large candle, the market typically remains within that range for several days, like 7-8 days, and eventually breaking down or breaking out. So when the large candle is formed, what generally happens is that the direction of the candle becomes significant. So for example, if the large candle is on the downside, if the candle is on downside, the market tends to spend some time consolidating, and once it breaks the range, the momentum of the downtrend carry forwards. Similarly, after moving gradually towards a certain level, the market tends to spend 1 or 2 days consolidating before breaking out. The entire large candle gets absorbed within 4 to 5 days, and then a breakout is seen. During this phase, the buyers start showing interest. So जैसा अभी हो रहा है, after this huge bearish candle, यहाँ पे market थोड़ा consolidate कर रहा है. Buyers are showing some interest, and it can move up to the high of this candle. After that, after consolidation, possibly if it gives a breakout, then the momentum, अच्छा momentum मिल सकता है हमें. So basically जितना अच्छा consolidation होगा range में, उतना अच्छा momentum देगा. So however, until the market is stuck within this range, the sellers will look for the opportunity to sell on every rise. Only when the market breaks above the high or consolidates properly, you will get a clear setup. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हमने अभी डिस्कस किया, कल मार्केट 100 पॉइंट्स ऊपर जाके क्लोज किया, आज का भी अप्रोक्सीमेटली हाई लगाया, मार्केट ने 115 पॉइंट्स ऊपर गया, लेकिन क्लोज दिया 50 पॉइंट्स. सो पॉसिबिलिटी है कि कल भी अराउंड 50-60 पॉइंट्स का कैंडल यहाँ पे फॉर्म हो सकता है. एंड इन सच सिनारियोज यू कैनॉट कैप्चर क्लियर मोमेंटम, and that is why consolidation is crucial, and when the market consolidates, it gives you a clarity about the next trade setup. So दोस्तों, now let's see how market will perform tomorrow on 15-minute chart. कैसे momentum कर सकते हैं देखते हैं. Let's move to 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, the market opened within the range. कल हमने range decide की थी, right? So ये market ने multiple times tested और जहाँ पे support ले रहा था ये low, and this was the range which we had planned. The market opened within this range, spent about half an hour consolidating it before giving a breakout. So after consolidation, market ने breakout दिया यहाँ पे और अच्छा मोमेंट around 70 पॉइंट्स का मोमेंटम मिला हमें. So also मैंने आपको पहले मेंशन किया था that on the expiry days, if the market moves on a certain levels, above a certain levels, it tends to follow the resistance and it tries to close near the resistance levels. So for example, today's high was around 270. Today's high was around 270, which was close to the resistance of 23,288, which we discussed yesterday. So after gradually moving up, the market started consolidating after the first 1.5 hour and spent the rest of the यहाँ पे पहले consolidate किया and then spend the rest of the day in a tight range, and मार्क क्लोज भी वहां पे ही दिया, उसी रेंज में दिया है. सो फ्राइडे यानी कल के लिए बेस्ट सिनारियो वुड बी, अभी ये जो रेंज फॉर्म हुई यहाँ पे आज के सेशन में, ये जो रेंज फॉर्म हुई है, द बेस्ट सिनारियो टुमारो पिक्चर परफेक्ट एरिया वुड बी मार्केट अगर इसी रेंज में ओपन होता है, थोड़ा टाइम कंसोलिडेट करके इफ इट ब्रेक्स आउट, देन we can see a momentum above the range and can lead a move towards the next resistance, that is around 23 23,330. Following that 23,380 and इस रेंज का हाई is the last third level that is 23 4 sorry 23 440. सो ये बेसिकली मार्केट कंसोलिडेट करके ऊपर की तरफ इस रेंज का ब्रेकआउट कर रहा है तो हमारा फर्स्ट टारगेट होगा और द फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस वुड बी मार्केट माइट फेस सम रेजिस्टेंस 23,330, 23,380 is the second one and third is the 23,440. Similarly, if market consolidate करके या नीचे ब्रेकडाउन कर रहा है तो आज का लो would be the first support level that is 23,090. Following that 23,050 and उसके बाद 22,988. So guys, if market gaps up tomorrow, remember that recently gap up openings have not been sustaining. So gap up खुलने के बाद वो नीचे आ जाता है जल्दी. So by the end of the day, market often comes back near to its day low. So if there's a big gap up, wait for the market for the confirmation, wait to form a range or a price action, analyze whether the setup favors an upside or a downside move. So similarly, if market gap downs and open significantly lower, wait for it to spend some time forming a setup before deciding your trade. So to summarize, if the market opens within the range, observe its momentum towards resistance and support levels. If the market breaks today's low, the next support level are at 23,055 and 22,988. In the case of gap ups or gap down openings, let the market consolidate before taking any position. So let's move to Banknifty analysis. Guys, Banknifty में भी अच्छा bearish कैंडल था, उसके बाद ये हैमर कैंडल एंड आज आफ्टर मेकिंग अ हाई ऑफ 48,888 मार्केट क्लोज सिग्निफिकेंटली लोअर. बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा निफ्टी के कंपैरिजन में थोड़ा ज्यादा वीक लग रहा है, क्लोज विद लॉस ऑफ 135 पॉइंट्स. 15 मिनट चार्ट पे देखते हैं कल मार्केट कैसा मूव कर सकता है बैंक निफ्टी में और हाँ कैसा मोमेंटम मिल सकता है 15 मिनट चार्ट पे. बैंक निफ्टी पे भी हमारा डिसेंट सपोर्ट था यहाँ पे, ये जो मल्टीपल टाइम सपोर्ट टेस्ट हुआ था इसके ऊपर क्लोज दिया था कल. सो मार्केट ओपन होने के बाद सीधा नीचे आया और इसी सपोर्ट पे थोड़ा सपोर्ट लेके मार्केट tried to move up or it tried to reach it made a high of around 48,888 which is a resistance level here, but market throughout the day एक रेंज में फंसा हुआ था. There was no much momentum, it was in a tight range. So कल के लिए बैंक निफ्टी का perfect scenario would be again similar to निफ्टी. अगर इसी रेंज में ओपन होता है after consolidation, one minute, इसी रेंज में ओपन होके consolidate कर रहा है and if it breaks out then possible levels would be 49,000, 49,170. if consolidate करके नीचे की तरफ ब्रेक डाउन होता है तो पॉसिबल लेवल डाउनसाइड would be 48,400, 48,333 and third level would be 48,200. तो मार्केट ये लेवल टेस्ट कर सकता है. So guys, these are the levels for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Tomorrow, watch out for the levels. And if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to open a demat account, you can find the links in the description. You can use it to invest in mutual funds or stocks. Markets are at good levels to buy. So see you in the next video guys. Thank you so much.